Ladies and gentlemen, you've been hearing IMAX with laser. What is this? This is the newest innovation from IMAX. And as promised, you're all going to enjoy that later. So, ladies and gentlemen, again, let me share with you that IMAX with laser is IMAX's most advanced theater experience, and of course, SM Cinema Iloilo is the first to have this in the Visayas region. Palakpakan naman po! Alright? And again, as part of its commitment to push boundaries and do things never before done in cinema, IMAX with laser has a groundbreaking 4K laser projection system and multi-channel audio system that of course delivers superior entertainment exclusively to IMAX screens. Now created, of course, to transport audiences into today's biggest blockbusters, IMAX with laser delivers crystal clear images, next generation precision sound for IMAX's most advanced theater experience. So are you guys ready to enjoy IMAX with laser? Alright, I love the energy this afternoon. And again, SM Cinema Iloilo is the first, the biggest, and the largest IMAX 4K laser in the Visayas region. With this, ladies and gentlemen, we are truly honored to be graced by no other than by our most loved and honorable Mayor of Iloilo City. So, to give his warm welcome and special message, palakpakan po for Mayor Jerry P. Trias.
Engineer Gilbert Domingo, Miss Christine Roya, at sa kanal natong pinalanggat na pumuluyo sa Ciudad ng Iloilo. Mayong hapon sa inyong tanan. First of all, I would like to congratulate SM Cinema Iloilo as you launch this first ever IMAX theater in the whole of Western Visayas, and the first IMAX with laser theater in the Visayas and Mindanao. Lakpakan kayo. Today, I share the same excitement with all of you for this iconic milestone that will surely bring a whole new level and more immersive viewing experience to our beloved theater lover Iloilocos. SM has always been a strong and very special partner of Iloilo City government, especially in several endeavors in our pursuit to further level up the city. Right here inside this mall, we have been given for free our biggest off-site payment center. SM is also our partner for the ongoing redevelopment of our two biggest markets, Iloilo Central and Terminal Market. And mga palangga po, for our Dinagyang Festival, SM is the biggest single corporate sponsor among everyone. That is why even if I have a busy schedule, so many documents to sign, every time SM calls, I leave everything, and I am here with SM. Our partnership with SM is a testament of how strong public-private partnership is in Iloilo City. Most especially as we try to achieve our goals to bring Iloilo City to the next level. This innovative theme of enhancing movie experience for the Ilonggos reflects the tireless support of SM in making our beloved city a happy and enjoyable place for everyone. Akong gid permi kinaliwat-liwat nga handog naton para sa syudad, wala nagaunta gani kabay nga nagapadayon sa aton ang pagbinuligay sa mga Ilonggo at sa mga partner naton para sa padayon nga pag-uswag sa natong syudad. Again, congratulations to SM, but also congratulations to this very wonderful trip from SM. Dapat i-congratulate naman ang mga Ilonggos. Maraming salamat ngayon. Hapon sa inyo tanan.
Thank you so much, our most loved Mayor Jerry P. Treñas. And I know you have a very busy schedule, but thank you for taking the time and of course showing your support to us here at SM City Iloilo. And now we have come to the highlight of this afternoon's opening ceremony. Now to officially launch IMAX with Laser, I would like to call on the following to please join us here for the ribbon cutting. Of course, our Honorable Mayor Jerry P. Treñas, the Mayor of Iloilo City, Ruby Ann O. Reyes, the Vice President for Corporate Marketing SM Lifestyle Incorporated, and Mr. Gilbert Domingo, the Mall Manager of SM City Iloilo. Now, before we do actually cut the ribbon, Sir Gilbert, Mayor Jerry Treñas, and Ma'am Ruby, can we first take a look at our friends from the media and would like to take our photos? Let's give our big smile first before we actually cut the ribbon. Alright. Wow, there's a lot of cameras right now. Alright, make sure to try to look at each camera, especially the one in the middle. Alright? So, ladies and gentlemen, join me as we do a countdown because we are very lucky to witness this moment and experience a one-of-a-kind theater experience. So now, dear guests, our SM City shoppers, we will now cut the ribbon. Let's start the countdown in 3. Ladies and gentlemen, go. 3, 2, 1. Memorable moment. And of course, we have here our City Councilor, Dr. Dumas, for joining us as well. Alright, so Mayor, before we do the light up of the saber, ladies and gentlemen, let's first give our friends a chance to find their post. I mean, wow, we're full right now. And we're so happy that you're all here. Now, I can see some of you are still looking for a good post. All right, are we now ready? Okay. Okay, so first, to our VIPs, you're going to light up the saber. And then after that, you're going to toast it. Alright? So instead of champagne, yes, correct, Mayor. We're going to toast the saber. Alright. Now again, I will have to ask for the support of everyone as we do a countdown. Now again, this is the lightsaber light up. Now on my signal, ladies and gentlemen, while you're trying to capture the beautiful moment, all right, ladies and gentlemen, let's start the countdown in 3. Ready, set, go! In 3,